Hello guys and welcome back to App Only channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram ad payment method not working. If you are experiencing issue with adding a payment method on Instagram, it could be due to various reasons such as technical glitches, network issue or account specific problem. Here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. What you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Instagram app. The first thing you have to make sure is that you have a professional account. You will not be able to add a payment method to a personal account. Once you switch your work professional account, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, you can see here orders and payments. Tap on it. After that, tap on payment methods and tap on add payment method. Choose to enter your credit or debit card or ShopPay or PayPal account depending upon the region you live in now. Sometimes one payment method could not be working for you. It does not really mean that the problem is with Instagram. The problem could also be the card. So if you have any of other service such as Netflix, just try to check if your card and the payment method is actually working fine. Also make sure your card is unblocked. If this does not work, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage. Tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.